Hey guys, Paul Kalmar here, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today I'm going to be talking about how you should handle your money so that you minimize your chances of contracting coronavirus. Money is one of the dirtiest things in the world, with so many people handling it and touching it. So if you want to minimize your chances of contracting coronavirus, I recommend you use this method. Thanks. So let's just say I withdrew some money from my bank account. Before I even touch it, I want to make sure that I'm wearing gloves. So here we're putting gloves on. I know, very difficult skill.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Oh God, how have I messed up this bad? This early in the video. So, now that I'm wearing gloves, you want to take out the money, right? And you want to lay it out. Like, here I have a little surface. Just laying out all the money, making sure that all of the surface is exposed. Alright. Actually, I think I might have to do this in 2 batches. Let's just take this and put it on this envelope. It's too much money for 1 batch. You want to make sure that everything is sanitized, right? So basically all the surfaces are exposed. And then at that point, we want to grab the Lysol and just spray it entirely, right? Yeah. And once you've sprayed that, you want to give it 20 seconds to rest. Alright, it has rested for 20 seconds. Now we do the old flip. Bam, 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 bam. It also smells like you're cleaning the house. It's a double benefit. You want to do the exact same thing to the other side. So you guys might notice I'm using Lysol for this. Lysol isn't necessary. You could use any other antiviral agent, right? Any other cleaning agent, that's the right word. And once you use it, like literally you could use sanitizer, just put it on a piece of paper and like wipe it down. Most people don't think this is quite necessary, and I'm not a germaphobe, but like, if you think about it, money is one of the most touched things out there, most handled by a wide number of people, so I think it's pretty necessary. Once it's dried, you just want to take them. Well, it doesn't even really need to be dried, it just give it a second to dry down, but it doesn't have to be fully dry. Just have to make sure that everything is coated in the cleaning agent. Let's take this all, right? All the clean money. And we can put it aside. Now we do the same with the other batch. I guess I'll fast forward this. Alright, once we have all the money processed, right, we just want to get it all together. Yeah. So, well, you guys know where the video's thumbnail, the money for that's coming from, but anyways, once you've done that, a really important step is how you take your gloves off, because this is determining whether you get any virus on your hands or not. So you want to pinch right here, right? And then you pull this off inverted. Then with your clean hand, you go under here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but go under there and you go like this, and you make this glove almost grabbed the other one. So you put that down, and then finally you sanitize. That's all. That's how you clean your money. And that's all for this video. If you guys found this video useful, make sure to drop a like. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, thank you.